Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.